Hey guys, it's Kaylee here and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I'm going to attempt to nail stamp. Is that what you call it? I don't really know what to call it. So I have tried stamping once before and it didn't really work at all. So I'm gonna try it today and hope it kind of works. So I've got all of the stuff I need. I have 2 stamping plates, I have some swiping cards, and I have these fun clear jelly stampers. So first I'm gonna try stamping this pattern, and pretty much all I did was I painted on some nail polish. This is actual stamping polish, but I'm pretty sure it works with any kind of polish you want. And I painted it over half of the pattern, and then I used the little swiping card and swiped the nail polish across the whole pattern. And then I took my little clear jelly stamper and stamped it on top, hoping that it picks up the design. And it actually kind of worked-ish. It's okay. So let's try this again. So paint on the polish, swipe the polish, and then stamp. That didn't pick up at all. I don't really know what I'm doing wrong here, but it didn't pick up on the jelly stamper at all. So let's try this design. It's like, it looks kind of like honeycomb. It's kind of cool, I guess. I don't know. I painted on this orangey color. I guess honeycomb isn't really orange, it's more yellow, but whatever, you get the idea. I'm just trying to stamp. So I think you're supposed to stamp the clear jelly stamper in one direction. That's what I've seen in videos of people doing this, so I'm gonna try that, and oh my gosh, that actually kind of worked. So I quickly took out my paper and stamped the design down, and that was out of focus, but it's okay because it actually kind of worked. So let's try this donut pattern. National Donut Day is coming up or something, so let's put some donuts on my nails. That would be kind of fun. And that didn't pick up at all. I don't really know what went wrong there, but it just didn't work. Okay, so I'm still kind of determined to put donuts on my nails, so I'm gonna try stamping these donuts a few more times. So that didn't work at all. And I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. If anyone knows what I'm doing wrong, could you please let me know? I'm gonna try stamping one last time, and if this doesn't work, I guess I'm just not gonna do anything on my nails. Oh my gosh, it kind of worked. That worked perfectly. Okay, we're doing that on my nails. I'm painting on this super opaque white polish. This is not Milky White from Holo Taco, and of course I'm wearing a peel-off base coat under this nail design. So now I'm going to paint on Indigo Away, also from Holo Taco, onto the stamping plate, and then I'm just going to swipe the card across and stamp down the jelly stamper and hope it picks up the design, and then try to stamp it onto my nails. I think I'm doing this right, but I could be doing this completely wrong. You can use tape to get rid of the nail polish that's stuck around your nail, which is kind of helpful. It's really nice. And it's super easy to get off. And then I just cleaned up the edges a little bit with a cleanup brush and some acetone. These nails are kind of boring, so I'm gonna paint on a unicorn skin. This is Aurora unicorn skin from Holo Taco. And let's just add a scattered holo top coat while we're at it, because why not? And to seal in the whole design, I added a thick coat of glossy top coat, and there's my stamping design. It didn't turn out perfect, but I'd say that's the best I've ever really done with stamping. So I'd say it turned out pretty good. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic, amazing, tremendous day. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.